Mà to lấy dọ lạ lại dọ kia bằng nhạc khúc lê tao mà to mà ha ê stay khúc lê chi buồn ha ha to hả em đây trong nghi lằng mà đây bị cái trong nghi vật cái trong tây mà
Untuk kena kulo fiso hadung iba ka dinyobut kadang tam sapi fiso kuno hadung.
Đó nghe. Khubor di pensong. Ba ni kemilan ti bat kum ke parti ke bawah bat bah.
Tapi nak bisu kena apa dengan jing nyelap election jong PP lah ai kerai buat ba provinsi Kyrwoh buat ba. Temta sebutlah dah job kai ka rajang piwo pensim nasi anti hadali.
Nah sejubab kami syibit kata. Tah. Apa nak kami kerezat kadang.
Pergi Mekah hadu Mekah kena tanglit. Bun ba gila jema kuno bisa.
Ni. Di dalam tamun ong rai ngut yu blai bat yaki bat ba moh ki ba ai ka ki komon ki ka diang ba ko shisai ka jing don kam ka ba ki ya ka jing kelah. Dengan sana ikan kami syibit moh.
Itu nam tak jing kerman.
Oh ni. Ni kata ka jing moh. Mà khi ai ngồi yêu lấy, rồi là khu bò và ai khu lấy thì vài ba khi ba ai cái chụp sàn tại trong cái gì này kan?
Hadu kan lo bilang confident mo pinjam ya kan.
Tinggi ni baik, ni don't back to the kerban. Ada dia ni don't back to the kerban.
Dikising kon na.
Yung iba kanina kadi di siya do ko ba. Ni bentar buat yang yo tam mo kiyo do ko niya tayo fashion.
Kajing eat kari kawai, bat kajing trang kajing angnut kajing papa, ubala batong ubalangnya ubalat haj ubalat jelap ya ke politics ke ba ya
Okay.
ke sinsaringi kini kisnam apa ubalai.
Okay.
Kalau dah piwan
Ricky.
Ni kom do.
Tahu, ni sekarang kata absurd dalam ini.
This is live.
Ya.
Well, can you hear? In fact, our editor-in-chief, you can wear this. Yeah.
Hello. Ya.
This.
Hey, dulu saya ya.
Yes, I can hear you. Yes. Where's your camera?
Yeah, this is my camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Good morning. Okay, I don't know that, but I just heard from the media. Yes.
May I request ADM engineer to kindly report to Hall 6 of the 17 North Shillong immediately.
Well, I don't know. We as a party, like we've been saying time and time again, the party that we put our faith and trust in God, and also we believe in hard work, and so we went around, to spread, to share with people about the party, its vision, and the principles and the ideology of the party, and so we believe that the people of one Shillong Parliamentary seat would give us all the support, and from the news that you shared with me that we are leading, I believe that is the sort of a manifestation of good things to come. Yes.